What's up guys, welcome back. So I'm actually going to show you guys a few ways to actually make money online just from your laptop by doing just these simple steps, and I'm going to walk you guys through it and show you guys how you guys, if you just have extra time literally and you have a laptop, internet, and a PayPal account, you guys can easily start making money anywhere from $10 to $30 per test that you guys do. And these tests are very simple. It's literally you guys going in and giving your honest opinion about a website, apps, whatever. And so I just kind of want to show you guys and share this with you guys. If you have time, a laptop, and a PayPal account, you guys can start doing this too.
All right, guys. So here we are. The first one that I want to show you guys is Try My UI. This one has by far the best reviews for test takers. You put your full name here, your email. This is going to be your email, as you see in red. For PayPal, this is where they'll send you the money, okay? And then you go ahead and make a password, confirm password. So this is legit, guys. You guys can do this literally. You'll be paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now to make, right? So you can get $10 per test. So depending on how many tests, in the beginning, you'll probably do like a test or two so they can actually analyze the way and your feedback, right? And so this is just a great way, guys, to just make some money on the side, seriously, and to save up some money for the side hustle that you want to start. And so don't be afraid to try this out. It's so simple to sign up, literally, guys. So go ahead and do that. So the second one that I want to talk about is Userlytics. Okay, this is another one, and these are a lot of questions that you can, once you get logged in, you can go to frequently asked questions and kind of run through here and start reading through what it is that you'll be doing. So, what is the qualification? At the moment, we don't require our test takers, so they don't have a qualification. Once our client has reviewed and positively rated your test feedback, your test will be marked as approved. Payments for approved tests are made once a week. I believe it's every Friday for Userlytics when you get paid. So guys, this is actually legit. So what do I have to write in the PayPal? You need to define the email. So make sure you guys have an email account. These are all PayPal, and PayPal is a very secure payment method. So, I mean, you use PayPal for a lot of things. So it's very simple, guys. This is another one that I would highly recommend. This one, though, when I did sign up, they didn't give me a test right away. So how many tests can I do per day on Userlytics? As you guys can see, they do have a random. So we cannot tell you how often you will get invited to test, since it's a random process that will select testers from our database, and we will send out invitations to a limited number of testers. So yeah, that pretty much answers that question. If you make sure to answer the surveys and to complete your tester profile. Then the third one is usertesting.com. So here's another one. You come here, get paid to test, right? So you come here, you click on here, so earn up to $60 per test. Like, that's insane. So you pretty much visit the website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. So this is how you get paid. Get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts out loud. What's all the buzz about? More than 700,000 tests taken by users for companies like eBay, Twitter, all these people, right? So this is what you need to get started, guys. How much money can you make? While using users is a great way to learn a few extra dollars on the side, it won't make you rich. The number of opportunities you'll receive will depend on a number of factors, such as your demographics and your quality rating. Again, how do you get paid? You get paid via PayPal. So make sure you guys have a PayPal account. So those are the three that I recommend. If you're not using your laptop for anything, at least do it for this and just sign up and get paid.
There you guys have it. So guys, literally go ahead, go do this, go sign up, go make some extra dollars on the side, save that up for you guys' next business venture, whatever. Go, I mean, just go do it. If you got a laptop and you're not really doing much with your laptop, or you're just, on break at school, literally you can do this on your break, you can do this anywhere and make just some extra dollars on the side. It's just almost in a sense like free money. Literally, you're just speaking your thoughts. You don't even have to show your face. All you have to do is just speak your thoughts, and you can make money. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, if you guys like the video, the topic of the video, go ahead, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. God bless. Bye.